Scrapbook.com fans, this is Kate Swanson from Art Impression Stamps, here to introduce to you our 5 new circlets for the second half of 2019. So we have 5 new sets. We have this adorable Thanksgiving set with the cornucopia and the pie in the background. I love this one, as well as our sleigh ride set. Very nostalgic. Our beautiful nativity circlet with the animals around, as well as our garden circlet and our elk circlet set, which is great for those masculine cards because we know we get lots of requests for those. And these work the exact same way that you're used to with that 3-panel fold. So it includes the dies for each panel, easily align with a pencil mark on your second one so that you can get all 3 circlets to reveal this 3D unique card. Grab them today at Scrapbook.com.